Imagine this. It's 2030. The line between sci-fi and reality? Practically non-existent. Today, we're taking you on a mind-bending journey into a future that feels straight out of a blockbuster film. So, hold on tight, because things are about to get wild. Picture this. You wake up in your smart home, designed entirely by artificial intelligence. As you walk into the kitchen, your AI chef has already prepared your breakfast. It's not just toast and eggs. It's a customized meal based on your fitness goals and dietary preferences. The chef speaks in a soothing voice. Breakfast is ready. I've included a protein smoothie to fuel your workout. On your way to work, or should I say your virtual office, you take a flying drone taxi. These futuristic vehicles are not just functional. They're designed with comfort in mind. As you hover above the city, the view is breathtaking, and the ride is completely autonomous, seamless, and fast. What used to take an hour now takes minutes. No traffic, no stress, just efficiency and style. Now, let's talk about relaxation. Forget about planes. It's 2030, and VR vacations are all the rage. Imagine flipping on a headset and immediately finding yourself on a sunny beach with waves crashing around you, or hiking the Alps, feeling the crisp mountain air through haptic feedback suits. Virtual adventures are so realistic you might even forget you're in your living room. Curious about the tech behind this? It's a fusion of advances in neural interfaces, ultra-intelligent AI, and unparalleled robotics. Take, for example, Neuralink. This groundbreaking technology connects our brains directly to computers. Want to learn French? Upload it directly into your neural pathways. Want to design something with perfect precision? Think it, and it's done. And how about humanoid robots like Tesla's Optimus? These life-sized assistants can lift hundreds of pounds and handle intricate tasks with the dexterity of a skilled human, preparing your home, assisting in surgeries, or even doing grocery shopping for you. Then, there's Midjourney AI, redefining what creativity means in the world of design and art. In seconds, it generates ultra-realistic environments, from futuristic cities to mystical forests. It's not just a tool, it's a collaborator, pushing the limits of human imagination. So imagine life in 2030. Your world is optimized, enhanced, and custom-tailored to your exact needs. Whether it's transportation, creativity, or leisure, the future is here. And trust us, it's more incredible than you can dream. Make no mistake, tech is moving at lightning speed. Don't blink, because you might just miss the next big leap. Like, follow, and subscribe for everything futurism, AI, and beyond. Technovations will keep your finger on the pulse of tomorrow, today,